Welcome to the iHistory channel. Today we delve into the ancient world's fascination with the cosmos, starting with the earliest known astronomical observations. Our story begins in prehistoric times when early humans first turned their gaze skyward. The night sky, with its myriad of twinkling stars and wandering planets, was a source of wonder and mystery. This fascination is reflected in the cave paintings and artifacts discovered by archaeologists, which depict celestial bodies such as the sun, the moon, and the stars. The Lascaux caves in France, for instance, are home to a breathtaking array of prehistoric art, including images that some scholars believe represent constellations. These early humans were not just passive observers of the night sky, however. They understood that the celestial bodies followed regular patterns, and they put this knowledge to practical use. For instance, they could predict the change of seasons by observing the position of the sun and the stars, which was vital for their survival in a world ruled by the rhythms of nature. The stars were also used for navigation. Long before the invention of the compass or the GPS, ancient mariners would use the stars to find their way across the vast oceans. The North Star in particular was a reliable guide, as it always points to the north, no matter where you are in the northern hemisphere. These early observations of the cosmos were not just practical, though. They also had a spiritual dimension. The celestial bodies were often seen as deities or spirits, and their movements were interpreted as divine messages. This belief gave rise to the practice of astrology, which sought to predict future events based on the positions of the stars and planets. From these humble beginnings, humanity's fascination with the cosmos would only grow, leading to the complex astronomical systems of ancient civilizations. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, built monumental pyramids aligned with the stars, while the Mayans developed a sophisticated calendar based on their careful observations of the cosmos. But those are stories for another time. For now, let's marvel at the ingenuity of our ancestors, who turned their curiosity about the cosmos into a practical tool for survival and a profound source of spiritual inspiration. Fast forward to the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia, where the ancient Sumerians and Babylonians took stargazing to a whole new level. As we journey into the heart of ancient Mesopotamia, let's marvel at the Sumerians and Babylonians. These civilizations were not just casual stargazers, but avid astronomers who meticulously catalogued the heavens. With their keen observations, they created extensive star catalogues that were astoundingly accurate. Their catalogues were so comprehensive that they even included the movements of 5 planets visible to the naked eye. But their astronomical pursuits didn't just stop there. The Mesopotamians are also credited with the creation of the zodiac. The zodiac, a celestial coordinate system, was a significant achievement in the field of astronomy. Its creation allowed the Mesopotamians to predict celestial events and even understand the changing seasons better. The zodiac wasn't just a scientific tool, though. It played a vital role in the everyday life of these ancient people. The zodiac's 12 signs were closely linked with their religion, with each sign associated with a particular deity. This celestial guide provided them with a cosmic connection to their gods, and the zodiac's influence can still be seen today in astrology. The Mesopotamians also used their astronomical knowledge in practical ways, especially in agriculture. They understood that the sun, moon, and stars' movements were connected to seasonal changes, which in turn affected their crops. They used this knowledge to develop agricultural calendars, allowing them to plant and harvest at the optimum times. Through their detailed observations and innovative practices, the Mesopotamians made significant contributions to the field of astronomy. Their star catalogues, the creation of the zodiac, and the use of astronomy in everyday life were remarkable achievements for their time. Their meticulous observations laid the groundwork for the astronomical pursuits of future civilizations. These ancient stargazers may have looked up at the same skies we see today, but their understanding of the stars and their applications was truly ahead of their time. Their legacy continues to influence modern astronomy, reminding us of the rich history that lies within the stars we see every night. As we journey down the Nile, we encounter the ancient Egyptians who looked to the heavens for guidance in both life and death. The Egyptians were avid sky watchers. They gazed upwards, not just in awe of the celestial spectacle, but also to understand and harness the rhythmic patterns of the cosmos. The alignment of their iconic pyramids, for instance, is a testament to their astronomical prowess. The Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world, aligns with the cardinal points of the compass with remarkable precision. This feat was no accident. It was a calculated design guided by their knowledge of the stars, reflecting their desire to mirror the heavens on Earth. But the Egyptians' fascination with the cosmos was not confined to architecture. The sun held a special place in their pantheon, embodied in the form of Ra, the sun god. Ra was revered as the king of the gods, the creator of all life. He would journey across the sky during the day, illuminating the world, and then disappear at dusk, only to be reborn at dawn. This cyclical journey of Ra was seen as a symbol of renewal and resurrection, a theme that permeated Egyptian mythology. The stars too had their roles in the Egyptians' cosmological narratives. The constellation of Orion, for instance, was associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife, while Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky, was linked to Isis, the goddess of magic and healing. These celestial bodies were more than just distant lights for the Egyptians. They were divine beings, guiding spirits that influenced their lives and their understanding of the universe. The Egyptians' celestial knowledge was deeply intertwined with their beliefs about life, death, and the afterlife. They saw the cosmos as a celestial river, mirroring the Nile, on which the souls of the deceased would embark on their journey to the afterlife. The Egyptians' celestial knowledge not only influenced their daily lives, but also their beliefs about the afterlife. Crossing the Atlantic, we arrive in the ancient Mayan civilization, whose astronomical achievements are still marveled at today. As we delve into the mysteries of the Mayan civilization, we find ourselves awestruck by their sophisticated understanding of celestial bodies. Central to this understanding was their intricate calendar system, which was significantly more advanced than those of many contemporary civilizations. The Mayans had not one, but three calendars, each serving a unique purpose. The first, known as the Tzolk'in, was a sacred calendar of 260 days used for planning religious ceremonies. The second, the Harb, was a solar calendar of 365 days, mirroring the Earth's orbit around the Sun. Lastly, the Long Count calendar was used to record historical events and prophesize the future. But the Mayans' astronomical prowess didn't stop at calendrical computations. They also exhibited an uncanny ability to predict celestial events such as solstices, equinoxes, and even eclipses with remarkable accuracy. This knowledge allowed them to align their cities and structures to these events, creating a harmonious relationship between their civilization and the cosmos. Astronomy was not merely a scientific endeavor for the Mayans, it was intertwined with their everyday life and spiritual beliefs. The movements of the sun, moon, and planets were believed to influence the fate of their crops and the success of their hunts. Each celestial body was associated with a god, and their appearances and disappearances were regarded as divine messages. The Mayans also used their astronomical knowledge to predict agricultural cycles. They understood that the rainy season coincided with the rise of the Pleiades star cluster, and thus planned their planting accordingly. This allowed them to sustain a large population and thrive in a region prone to droughts. The Mayans' astronomical prowess showcases the advanced scientific knowledge of this ancient civilization, a testament to their innovative spirit. Their achievements remind us that the sky has always been a source of wonder and inspiration, driving humans to seek understanding and mastery over the mysteries of the universe. The Mayans' astronomical prowess showcases the advanced scientific knowledge of this ancient civilization, a testament to their innovative spirit. These ancient civilizations' astronomical observations have impacted us in more ways than one might think. From the dawn of time, our ancestors have looked to the heavens for guidance, and their observations continue to shape our lives today. Take our modern calendar systems, for instance. The Mesopotamians, who were keen observers of the cosmos, developed a lunar calendar, which later influenced the Jewish and Islamic calendars we use today. The Egyptians, on the other hand, devised a solar calendar, the basis for our current Gregorian calendar. This is a testament to their understanding of the celestial bodies' movements and their profound impact on our daily lives. But the influence of ancient astronomy doesn't stop there. It extends to our navigation techniques as well. The stars have always been our roadmap, guiding sailors across vast oceans and explorers through the wilderness. The Polynesians, for example, were expert navigators using the stars, the sun, and the sea to voyage across the Pacific. This knowledge, passed down through generations, is still used today, proving that the wisdom of our ancestors remains relevant and vital. And let's not forget our understanding of the cosmos. The Mayans, with their intricate astronomical calendars and precise observations, had a profound understanding of celestial events. They accurately predicted solar and lunar eclipses, and their knowledge about the movements of Venus was so precise that it rivals modern astronomical calculations. This shows us that our ancestors were not just passive observers of the night sky. They were active participants in understanding the universe. Preserving this knowledge and continuing to learn from it is of paramount importance. It serves as a reminder of our roots and our ceaseless quest for knowledge. It also encourages us to keep observing, to keep asking questions, and to keep exploring the endless expanse of the cosmos. These ancient civilizations remind us of our enduring fascination with the cosmos, a fascination that continues to drive our exploration and understanding of the universe today. From cave paintings to complex star charts, humanity's journey through the cosmos is a testament to our innate curiosity and desire to understand the world around us. We've traversed time and space, from the banks of the Euphrates, where Mesopotamians mapped the heavens, to the pyramids of Giza that demonstrate the Egyptians' intricate knowledge of celestial alignments. We've journeyed to the Mayan temples, where advanced astronomical calculations were etched in stone, predicting celestial events with astounding precision. These ancient civilizations, their astronomers and their observations laid the groundwork for our modern understanding of the universe. Their celestial pursuits have shaped our calendars, navigation, agriculture, and even our philosophical and religious views. To walk in their footsteps is to appreciate the remarkable journey of human discovery. So, as we gaze at the night sky, remember we are part of a legacy that stretches back thousands of years. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the iHistory channel, like and share. Also, don't forget to activate the notification bell.